In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize time entry settings in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each option means, so your team's hours are captured the way your company needs. Start by opening your preferred web browser and signing in to your QuickBooks Time account. For these changes, you'll typically need admin or manager permissions. If you don't see the settings we're about to use, check with your account administrator to make sure you have the right access. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Company Settings. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can see all options. Inside Company Settings, select Time Options. This is the control center for how time is tracked and displayed across your organization. Now let's configure the available time entry settings. First, choose the time format. You can display hours in a 12-hour format with AM and PM, or a 24-hour format. Pick the format your team is most familiar with, and consider what your payroll or reports expect, so everything stays consistent. Next, set your week start. This defines which day appears first on timesheets and reports. Align it with your company's schedule and payroll cycle. For example, if your work week runs Sunday through Saturday, make Sunday your start day. If your schedule begins on Monday, choose Monday. This simple choice helps prevent confusion when employees review their weekly hours or when you export timesheets. Then review time entry preferences. Here, you decide how your team records time. If you want employees to clock in and out in real time, select the option that supports live tracking. If your process allows people to enter their hours after the fact, choose the manual entry approach. You can also tighten controls to match your company's rules, such as limiting edits to submitted time or guiding which details must be included. The goal is to make it easy for your team while ensuring accuracy for billing and payroll. Adjust all these settings to reflect your internal tracking policies. Keep your company handbook or payroll rules in mind, so the setup supports compliance, reduces corrections, and speeds up approvals. When you're satisfied, save the changes. You should see a confirmation, and your new settings will apply to time entries going forward. That's it. Quick, clean, and aligned with your workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.